Hello.
Hello everyone, we are in Serbia with all the boxes of cities. The funny part is we have some cities and some extra boxes that we didn't want to spoil. And the even funniest part of the story is that yesterday night at the border from Hungary to enter Serbia, we had to pay 40 euros for transit taxis or something, whatever they call it. So we still have Macedonia to cross, and then Greece, and then enter Turkey for good for at least a couple of weeks. So we are right now trying to find some tricks to hide at least, well, first the extra boxes that are not appearing on the invoice, and then, well, I don't know if you can imagine what it is to be in the middle of nowhere. It's really, really hot compared to the weather we had in Brittany for 2 months now. And so we are really trying to find a space within our luggage for 500 pieces of space, which is, well, we will manage somehow, but, well, we don't have the feeling we're doing whatever illegal. I mean, we're not a company, it's just our albums that we need to get back with us and that we will send by mail, so it's not like we're trying to enter whatever to escape from taxes, but all these regulations, we were not prepared for them. So, but we have the cities, they're all in small boxes of 30 pieces, like that. So we are emptying the boxes, putting them in between our clothes, and this is how we have so far. So today is 1st of August. Most probably when we will see this video we will already be in Istanbul, so keep fingers crossed we might find something. C'est bon?
Ouais.